Okay, so yeah, this is from p-bandai. Let me open it then. I this was delivered earlier today. So yeah, p-bandai is pre-order only, I think. Um, well, most of it, I think. At least the model kit are pre-order. And the packing packing list. Um, so yeah, Lfrith to wait what? I thought I ordered one, but I guess it's two. I probably pre-ordered two of these, probably because it was some months ago. So and it says on the packing list. Um, yeah, it says on the packing list two, quantity two. So yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I have to. So yes, I have two of these. Lfrith. This is the aerial. No, this is not a p-bandai. This is a p-bandai. So yeah, I have to. So yep. Okay. As your runners, the usual stickers. And yeah, is this from Vanadis Heart? I think this is from Vanadis Heart. Or Vanadis. Let me check. Yeah, it's Vanadis Heart. Yep. So Liquid Dew is from the Vanadis Heart, not from the main quote main series of Witch from Mercury. So yeah, I have to. So